just entering St. James City at the south end of Pine Island. And all the way down this Stringfellow Road, I've seen nothing but piles of debris and destruction. Just look at the debris as we go through St. James City. So many buildings destroyed or severely damaged. Quite a level of destruction. Incredible. Looks like the cleanup will be going here for quite a while. Sure, not much left of some of these mobile home parks. This town was really obliterated by Hurricane Ian. Lots of cleanup still going on. Looks like nobody's in any of these homes. Hard to believe the destruction. Plus, we don't notice it, but these houses were filled with water too, 4 or 5 feet of water. We do see some repairs going on. We're just heading out of St. James City now, going back through the town. You can see the devastation that Hurricane Ian has caused. Not too many homes are habitable here. There's somebody living in the camping trailer while they're fixing their house. Total devastation. There's another someone living in their trailers. There's a mobile home park on our left, and boy oh boy, lots of damage in there. See boats right in the middle of the park. Almost seems worse than Matlacha. We see all the trees that are pushed down as well. Look at this debris. We can just see how much damage was done. Every house had to empty everything in it, filled with water. There's a motel over here, and you can see everything's been torn out of it. It's going to be months, not years, to get these homes all fixed up again. It's quite a bit of devastation, that's for sure. I just stopped in St. James City at the Raggedy Ass Saloon, where we used to come on Sunday afternoons to listen to bands. Looks like the building is still up. Obviously received a lot of water damage. You see, that's where the stage was, where we'd hear the bands, and it's gone. But at least we know the Raggedy Ass Saloon is still up, although severely damaged. We're just entering Bokeelia, which is a little town at the north end of Pine Island. I don't know if this was as damaged as much as St. James City. We'll find out here in a few minutes. Oh, yes, there's part of a roof missing there. Here we are in Bokeelia. It looks like this town was hit pretty hard too. Looks like most of these buildings are still up, but I'm sure they got lots of water damage. obviously from the debris, a lot of these homes were severely damaged. There's Captain Collins, and it looks like this building is open. This is a very nice seafood restaurant to come to. So I'm glad to see that. I'm glad Captain Collins survived, because this is a good place to come for seafood. I'm at Captain Collins on Bokeelia, which is the north end of Pine Island. There's a pier we can walk out on. You can see there's some sections missing of the pier. Eventually, I presume it's going to be rebuilt. Just leaving Bokeelia. Head downstream Pella Road back towards Mount Lachey. Just outside of Bokeelia, you can see that there's a house that has been severely damaged. It's going to take quite a bit to repair that home. Glad these palm trees survived. They grow a lot of palm trees here, and some of them are bent, but looks like at least they're still up. We see a truck with a shovel on it picking up all this debris along the side of the road. It's incredible the amount of debris over here. Going to be cleaning up here for months. I'm over on Pine Island, and I'm just going by this huge dump yard created to put all the debris in from Pine Island. It's incredible how much debris they've collected over here.